Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Faiz Daniell Abdullah, and my number is 2020 460 238. I'm from class M380 110 3G, and in this video, I'm gonna talk about my innovation project for FPA 200. Okay, for introduction of this project is the project that I name is self watering system. I choose to do self-watering system project is to make sure that the plant planted can grow well even without being watered like regular plant. And this self-watering system is also able to solve the problem of water shortage plants caused by irregular watering. And this self-watering system also have various advantages that are likely to be obtained if can be improved to ensure that this project contribute to the improvement and quality of yield cultivated. The material used to create this project are also environmental friendly because this project create from used materials or recycled material that are found at our surroundings such as plastic bottle and rope. This project is also able to reduce the use of cost of carry out this project, and available capital can be used for other that contribute to profit. The use of this recycled material is also to avoid an of waste and can also prevent the environment from being polluted with material that can be recycled as the basic thing for the safe watering system project. Okay, now let's move to the detail of the project. So in this diagram, you can see that full of safe watering system. Okay, let me explain about the detail of this project. The rope in the container will absorb water to be carried into the pot. Second, the water flow from container will straight to the soil. Third is the water flow will keep watering the plant until the container has been empty. There will be excess of water on from the pot. The excess water will go down to the under of the pot using the hole that has been made from the bottom of the pot. Fifth is the excess water under of the pot can be used to keep watering the plant when the root reach the water under the pot and when the container has empty. Six, if under the pot has fully filled with the excess water, we need to clean the under of the pot to ensure the pot is not full with water. Okay, now let's move to the procedures to use the safe watering system. Okay, first step to use this um, safe watering system is fill the water into the container. And second step is put the rope into the container until reach the water level. Third, put the other side of the rope into the soil in the pot. And the fourth step is the water will flow along the rope from the container into the pot. Fifth, the excess water from the pot will be carried out to under of the pot. Okay, for sixth step, the excess water from the pot will be a supply of water that can be absorbed by the roots. For the seventh step, if the bottom of the pot has been full with water, we need to remove the excess water to make it empty again. Okay, now let's move to the advantages and disadvantages of self-watering system. Okay, the first advantage that we have is there are various advantages that can obtain from this self-watering system. project. And among the advantage of using this safe watering system is that it can save time for watering plant. This is said to be so because for this safe watering system, it is only necessary to fill the water into the container, and the water in the container will be transferred by a rope that will absorb water from the container and bring water into a pot filled with the soil and plant to be cultivated, and this can save the farmer time to do other work. Next, the use of safe watering system is also able to reduce the cost because the cost of to produce the safe watering system is lower because the material used to create this safe watering system is from recyclable materials such as bottle, ropes, and plastic container that can reduce the cost, and use of the material that is recyclable are also able to contribute to reduction of the percentage of waste and is able to reduce environmental pollution. Next is this safe water system is also able to reduce energy consumption in performing watering activities. This is because by using this safe watering system, the water in the container will be absorbed, um, flow through a rope placed into the container and pot. With this, energy consumption will be less. Use this system, and the existing energy can be used to carry out other planting activities. After that, water is supplied in continuously. This is because water flow using this safe watering system allow water to be delivered to the crop continuously through a rope that has been connected from the container containing water with a planting pot. Okay, next is the excess water from the planting can be drained to the bottom of the pot, and the excess water can be water that will be absorbed by the plant roots if the water from the container is depleted, and this can prevent the plant from dry out that can drive the plant to die. Okay, next let's move to the disadvantages that this project will give. Okay, among the disadvantages that for this safe water system is not very good for very thirsty plant. This is because if the type of plant needs a lot of water to grow, this will be disadvantageous for this safe water system because the water in the container that supply water continuously to the plant will experience drop in a short of period of time. Okay, next is increased risk of plant disease due to wet foliage. Okay, this is because continuously water flow will give excess water to the plant. If the plant reservoir at the bottom of the pot is full, this will result in excess water in the planting plot. Oh, sorry, the planting pot if the excess water is not drained out to re-empty the water reservoir, and this excess water will cause the plant to get disease. Okay, now let's move to the financial of the project. Okay, for the financial aspect, to create the project this time does not use any money because each material used to create the project this time is using recyclable material that can be obtained in our surrounding. So the financial is about RM0. Now let's move to the conclusion. In conclusion, the FPA 200 innovation project is able to give a great impact in improving the thinking level of students in creating new inventions that are useful in the plantation and cultivation industry. Hopefully, my innovation project this time, which is the safe watering system, can provide benefit or a new idea in the field of plantation. That's all from me. Thank you.